Hello, I'm Ahmed Galal, CEO and co-founder at Taskty.com from Egypt. I started a startup because it was a problem I used to deal with when I used to be a dentist before doing this, and it was really tough to find a good talent technician to do something for you at home, especially that we don't have any certification system and we don't have service agencies. So I said this gap should be closed, and people should stop challenging this problem anymore. This should be a company or a platform that do as a middleman and helps the customer to get a pleasant shopping experience. It shouldn't be that tough. We decided to apply for the program because it's always really useful to refresh the growth spirit in the team. And also it's my first time in Saudi Arabia, so I need to get more engaged with the ecosystem here. We need to understand the market, meet new people, and discover this really big ecosystem that's happening here and growing really fast. I expect mainly to get back motivated, to engage with the Saudi ecosystem and know a lot of people and do a lot of connections. And also we added some more talents to the team since in the last 2 years. So we want them to have the same growth spirit that we have, the founders. The most challenge that we were working on for the last 2 years, we were scaling really fast. And this fast scalability usually puts some pressure on quality and on the operations team. So our main challenge that we are trying to solve now is to make it easier to scale using automation and automate quality control, so we can scale while maintaining the same quality and the same customer, or even making it better. Open your ears to your customer and be flexible.